I think what I really liked about Birkbeck, and the reason that I chose to study here, was because of the flexible structure. So for me, I didn't want to stop working, I wanted to continue working and then also apply what I was learning at university to my job. And so for me it just made sense to find a university which kind of like helped structure around my working life as well. And yeah, just the sort of the particular subject as well, I really resonated with the topics which were included in the marketing degree which I did, and so yeah, I just think it just fitted all of the boxes that I was looking for, and made it easy for me to study when it wasn't something that I ever really considered doing up until then, being like, okay, I want to go to university, and like this university made sense for me and didn't feel like it would be something which would be very out of my comfort zone. I've made some really good friends, and friends who I've seen outside of uni, like from the very first lecture, friends who I'll continue to see, and just like those nights when we were working on projects together in the library and going a bit crazy, but also having each other to support what we were doing and kind of like talking us through it. I do really think that without some people in particular, I wouldn't have been able to do it, because it's just such a crazy thing. But I definitely, yeah, the people have been amazing, and I've learned so much, not just from the degree itself and the coursework, but also from the people on my course and the staff and everything. So yeah, it's been really nice.